Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Have you ever admired the sleek, feature-packed user interface of Vivo phones and wished you could get that Funtouch OS experience on your own device? Well, if you have a rooted Android phone, you're in for a treat today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a Vivo mod on your phone using a simple Magisk module. It's a fantastic way to get that elegant look and feel without needing to buy a new device. Basically, this Magisk module ports over many of Vivo's software features. The download link for the module is available in the video description below, so be sure to check that out. So, what does this module actually change? Once installed, it will replace your standard boot animation with Vivo's stylish one. It also installs several official system applications from Vivo. And most importantly, it replaces your system fonts and gives a complete overhaul to the UI of the settings pages, making it look just like a real Vivo phone. As you can see, this is the standard look on my phone right now, a clean UI, default fonts, and a pretty basic boot animation. Let's give it that Vivo Funtouch OS makeover. All right, let's jump into the installation. It's incredibly simple. Just make sure you've downloaded the Vivo mod from the link in the description and have it saved somewhere easy to find on your phone. First, open up your Magisk app. Tap on the Modules tab, which is usually at the bottom right. Now, tap the Install from Storage button at the top of the screen. Navigate to where you saved the downloaded zip file. For me, it's in the Downloads folder. Go ahead and select the Vivo module zip. Once it's done, a blue Reboot button will appear at the bottom. Go ahead and tap that Reboot button. And there we go. Check out that clean new Vivo boot animation. It already looks so much more polished. You can see the difference immediately. The new system font is applied and the icons have that Vivo style. Let's check out the app drawer. Yep, here are the new Vivo system apps, all installed and ready to use. Now for the best part, let's check out the settings. And look at that. The settings page has been completely replaced with the new UI. It has that clean and organized Funtouch OS layout with the new icons and menus. It feels like a completely different phone. So there you have it, a complete Vivo makeover in just a couple of minutes. If this video helped you out, please do me a huge favor and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss my future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.